Hello everyone, welcome to CrackU's brand new JEE channel. A quick context. CrackU is an edtech startup started by IIT IIM alumni in 2014 with one single aim: learn anywhere, anytime with high quality content. Whether you are in class 11th, 12th or a repeater, this channel will give you no drama JEE system for your consistent and efficient preparation for JEE. Subscribe us to make your JEE prep free of clutter and full of clarity with the best of the structured material and proven track record. In other exams we have already established, and the best thing is our dashboard, which gives you a clear-cut idea what are the concepts you are lagging, what you need to watch and improve, and what kind of questions under any specific topic you need to prepare to give your preparation a giant boost. Our latest innovation, QuantRush, basically a gamified way of solving math. You get more points if you solve a hard question, you get penalized if you miss an easy one. It has leaderboard and other perks too. Now let's get straight to the point on what are the 5 things that we are offering in JEE preparation. First, topic-wise concept videos. Our videos will focus on one topic, one concept right from the basics to the JEE level. You will not get BT, basically boring theory in our lectures. You will get clear-cut explanations on how to solve complex problems and examples so that you spend most of your time in practicing, not just passively watching theory videos. Second, hand-picked important previous year questions. In previous year questions, there are plethora of questions. There are so many questions. In that, sometimes we miss the must-solve important questions. To make sure you don't miss on important previous year questions, we will be coming up with important previous year question videos which are handpicked by our experts so that you get most out of the previous year questions. Third, important formula PDFs. Not just formula PDFs, they will contain the methods and techniques and tricks to solve complex JEE level problems so that whenever you are revising, you are not just passively looking at the formulas. You are getting the deep understanding on where those formulas apply and how to crack JEE level problems. Fourth, must-do revision sheets with free material along with our videos. Basically, when it comes to revising, there are so many things. Sometimes we miss the important focus and depth on important topics which are coming repeatedly. With our revision must-do sheets, you know exactly what are the topics that are coming repeatedly and where to put more focus on. Fifth, JEE tips, strategies and updates, basically on topics like how to analyze your mistakes, how to revise efficiently and what to prioritize when time is limited. Also, whenever there are any important updates, we will get straight to you from official sources. No fluff, no confusion, directly from official sources. If you are serious about your JEE prep and want to make it easier, efficient and effective, hit that subscribe button and do not forget to press that bell icon. And as a welcome gift, we have put up some very important and relevant PDFs in the description. You can download those and start practicing right now. And let us know in the comment on what topic you want the next video, what is your biggest difficulty, physics, chemistry or maths, and you can tell any specific topic. We will be coming up with the content to solve that problem. Till then, see you in the next video and let's build your JEE rank together with one step at a time.